In today's video, I'm going to teach you Calendly Zoom integration. How to use Calendly with Zoom, 5 minutes. Open your browser and head to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In and sign into your Calendly account. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password to finish logging in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, look for integrations and apps. This is where Calendly connects with your other tools. Open it, then find and select Zoom. Calendly will ask how you want to connect Zoom. Choose the option that fits your situation. Connect Zoom for your organization if you manage a team account and want the integration available broadly, or connect Zoom for myself if you're only linking your personal Zoom to your own events. Picking the right option ensures your meetings use the correct Zoom license and settings. After you choose, Calendly will redirect you to Zoom's sign-in page. Log in with your Zoom email and password, then follow the prompts to authorize Calendly. You may see a confirmation screen asking you to allow access. Approve it to complete the connection. When that's done, return to your Calendly homepage. Next, choose the event type or workflow where you want Zoom to be used. Hover over the event, click the settings gear, and select Edit. Inside the event editor, go to the location section. This is where you tell Calendly how you'll meet. Select Zoom from the location options and connect it if prompted. Once Zoom is selected as the location, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link every time someone books this event. That means no more manual links, and your invitees will receive the Zoom details right in their confirmation and reminders. If you manage multiple event types, repeat these same steps for each one where you want Zoom to be the default location. It's a good idea to double-check your event notifications to ensure the Zoom link is included in confirmations and reminders. Also, if your organization requires waiting rooms, passcodes, or specific recording settings in Zoom, set those up in your Zoom account. Calendly will respect those Zoom defaults when creating meetings. That's it. Your Calendly and Zoom are now connected, and your event types can automatically create Zoom meetings. If you ever need to switch accounts or disconnect, just head back to Integrations and Apps in Calendly and adjust your Zoom connection. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined scheduling.